What is going on, you guys? I hope you're all having an embraceful day. In today's video regarding the Rocket Bunny kit, we gotta get the front bumper covers onto the front bumper. I gotta get the rear spacers off of the back and move them to the front, and we gotta get the side skirts off so we can fit the front fender flares, because I noticed on the front fender flares that it's not fitting right because of these side skirts, so we have to make some adjustments right here. So I'm just gonna remove it for now. So I got the spacers moved to the front, the side skirts are off, I put the fender flares on, and the front bumper are back on the car. Now what I think I'm going to be doing is this whole entire piece for the front bumper cover doesn't fit completely like that. So I think I'm going to chop it up into two pieces, just cut it from here on the body line, the same thing that we did on the rear covers. Chop it off here, try to make each piece fit first, and then we'll fit the other piece next.
In the night, you wake me up when the sun goes down. Feelings right, you wake me up when the sun goes down. Sleepless nights, you wake me up when the sun goes down. I can't help it, baby, not myself when the sun goes down. I can't, baby, I 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 down.
So I got both of these two bumper pieces both lined up already on both sides. Now we have to do is just fiberglass this little section that's in here in order for it to fit this fender flare. Just make it transition really good. Also, we have to cut it right here and extend it so it fits right here. Even though just keeping this small little one that's right there, it looks really good since it lines up with the RS3 bumper lip. So I don't mind just keeping that one, but I want to go a little bit above and beyond and do the other piece that goes here. So I'm still in the process of getting these bumper little pieces done for the front bumper, but I want to share this experience with you guys, and just if I could save one of you guys from making this mistake, I'd be happy. So I want to show you guys what I did. If you guys know, on this side I ended up taping up all this. I put the wax, I put the fiberglass, and we made it, and we put this piece over that. But on the other side, I was a little bit lazy, so I didn't put any tape. I put the wax straight on the bumper, and I woke up this morning to this. Check this out. Boom. Look at this whole piece missing. I guess the fiberglass ate through all this right here, all the top paint. which kind of sucks, but I guess you learn something new every day. I'm not sure about metal. If you were to fiberglass over metal, I'm not sure, but this is the first time I didn't tape it up. So this is what happens if you do it to a bumper.
In the night, you wake me up when the sun goes down. Feelings right, you.
So this piece is completely done. As you guys can tell, the fitment looks really good. Right here it needs a little bit more filling, but we can take care of that towards the end. Right here too, a little filling right there. This hole needs to be filled in because the screw is gonna go over here. Now that we did this little indentation right here, this one can be filled in already. And if you were to look from up here, as you guys can tell, it flows really good down. All we have to do now is I'm gonna chop it up there and then just twist it and fiberglass it to this piece.
I can't stay down.
So I was going to be putting this piece right here right now, but I think I'm going to wait because I don't know which position. Like, I can turn it more this way, turn it more this way. It just depends. I'm not sure which position I should put it. So what I'm thinking is I gotta put this piece next, and we're gonna have to chop this piece as well. Once we cut that, we'll be able to position this other piece a little bit more this way. But I don't want to put this piece until we put the bottom lip on the front bumper, because I need to see where the lip is going to end, because it could end right here, it could end a little bit lower, because I want this bottom piece to fit perfectly under that lip. That way it looks super good and like has great fitment. So I need to wait for the lip, install the lip first, and then once we install the lip, we'll get back to this Rocket Bunny piece right here. So since there's not that much more I could do on the front, I have to wait for the front lip before I continue the front bumpers. I'm gonna get back to working on the rear. I'm just gonna shave all this down, all the black paint, or gel coat, whatever it's called. I also need to chop up this bottom lip that's right here, and I need to widen this gap that's right here. So I was able to clear up some space right here, a lot more space than what I had before here. So that's where I'm gonna end today's video, guys. I want to thank you guys so much for those of you that commented in the last video and helping me out and figuring out what was the issue. So I want to thank you guys so much, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out and embrace yourself.